Today we're going to cover lesson 23-1, compound interest. This lesson will be split into 7 sections. We will cover questions 1 to 4, questions 5 to 8, 9 to 13, 14 to 16, 17 to 19, 20 to 21, and 22 to 23. You will definitely need to make sure you have your graphing calculator available for this lesson. Let's go ahead and get started. We are on page 341. It says, Madison received $10,000 in gift money when she graduated from college. She deposited the money into an account that pays 5% compound interest annually. Compound interest is interest or money paid by a bank to an account holder that is earned on both initial account funds or principal and previously earned interest. Number 1, to find the total amount of money in her account after the first year, Madison must add the interest earned in the first year to the initial amount deposited. A. Calculate the earned interest for the first year by multiplying the amount of Madison's deposit by the interest rate of 5%. So it says, take our money amount, 10,000, and multiply by the interest rate of 5%. Now, 5% interest written in decimal form is the same thing as saying 0.05. Oh, press too many multiplication signs. So we're going to delete that. And we have earned $500 in the account. Now, including interest, how much money did Madison have in her account at the end of the first year? Now recall, she already had $10,000 in the account, and she just gained interest of $500. So she has $10,000 in the account plus the $500 interest. So she now has $10,500 in her account. Sorry, I meant to put a decimal here to represent my change. Number 2 says, Madison wants to record the amount of money she will have in her account at the end of each year. Complete the table and round your amounts to the nearest cent. So that means I have to keep repeating this process of multiplying by the 5% and then adding it back to the amount of money in the account. So they've started it off for me. In the first year, she had in year 0, she had $10,000 in the account. At the end of year 1, she has $10,500 in the account. At the end of year 2, it says that she has $11,000. Let's talk about how they got this $11,25 here. What they would have had to do is take $10,500 times by that 0.5, and that gave them $525. And they then took the $10,500 that's here and added the $525 to it to get this $11,025. So we're going to do this step again. We're going to take this number that's in our calculator and multiply by 0.05. So this year we earned $551.25. Well, I already have $11,025 in the account, and I just gained interest of $551.25. So we add those together to get $11,576.25. Well, we're again still going to earn this 5% interest every year. So I multiply by 0.05. We get $578.81. So I take my $11,576.25 and add the $578.81 in interest. And at the end of year 4, I have $12,155.06. Now, in order to find out how much interest I earn for the year, I multiply that by 0.05. And for that 1 year, I earned $607.75. So we take $12,155.06, add the $607.75 interest, and at the end of year 5, we have $12,762.81. In order to find out our interest, we multiply by the 0.05. For this year, we earned $638.14. We take our $12,762.81 and add the $638.14. We get $13,400.95. Now we multiply by our 0.05 again. For this year, we earned $670.05. Make sure you round that appropriately. We take our $13,495. We add our $670.05 interest. And at the end of year 7, we have $14,071 and 0 cents change right now. Multiply by our 5% interest rate. For the year 7, we earned $703.55 in interest. I take that and I add it to the 14,071. So now I have $14,774.55. We multiply that by our 0.05. We have $738.73 interest for the year. We take the $14,774.55 and add the $738.73 interest, and we get $15,513.28. We then multiply by our 0.05 interest rate. We get $775.66 for that year interest earned. Last time we take our $15,513.28, add the $775.66 interest, and I have at the end of year 10 $16,288.94. Wow. A lot of steps to get there, and we still haven't finished this set of questions. Hopefully we have a quicker way to get to these answers soon. Identify the constant... excuse me. The amount of money in the account increases by a constant growth factor each year. Identify that constant growth factor to the nearest hundredth. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take our numbers and we're going to divide them. I'm going to take 10,500 and divide by 10,000, the previous amount. Remember, if I do that, I should be able to see the same number up here. This time I'm going to write this in pencil. When I divided these two, it was 1.05. We're going to take 1125 and divide by 10,500. I got 1.05. If I take $11,576.25 and divide by 11,025, I get 1.05. Notice what's happening each time. Basically, what's happening every time is I could take, let's just see. If I take this $15,513.28 and I multiply by 1.05, I bet you it's going to give me something close to this $16,288.94. So my constant factor here is 1.05. How is the interest rate on Madison's account related to the constant growth factor in item 3? Now remember that interest was 5%. 5% written as a decimal, if you can recall, is 0.05. And that is the decimal portion of the constant factor. All right, make sure you get these written down. Take a moment to write all that down. I know it was a long video. There was a lot of numbers going on there. Get that written down, and then we'll move to our next set of questions.